Hi, and in this video, I'm going to talk about food over the holiday at Christmas time, also in general, going on holiday, exactly how I do it, and managed to go on holiday and hardly put any weight on whatsoever. You know, it's simple, very simple. So what we do is basically we eat less through the day. You know, what I mean by that is we will, for example, breakfast, we'll keep it higher in protein, some moderate fats, and we will lunchtime again. But what I want to do is I want to take you over to the whiteboard, just explain exactly how to do it. And also this can be incorporated for special occasions or nights out when you're going out with friends, with your partner, your date nights, etc. Yeah, so what I want to explain now is exactly how I do it over the festive periods, and also when I go on holiday. If ever I go on holiday, I always keep my food on my breakfast and lunch very high in protein, and to save some carbohydrates for the evening, then I eat and drink what I want within reason, obviously, you know, as in for alcohol, because alcohol, it is empty calories. When, for example, if you were to scan a bottle of beer, etc., it'd come up with, say, 200 calories. So we have to do something with that. So say if it was 200 calories, then that would be 50 grams of carbs if we took that from carbohydrates, or that would be 22 grams of fat if we took it from fats. There's four calories in 1 gram of carbohydrate, and there's 9 in fats. So anyway, let's get back into this. So here's how I will plan it. Very rarely when I go on holiday, although I used to, always plan, always track my calories on holiday. I don't now. I just eat mindfully, you know, and this is what I want you to do when you go away. Think protein through the day and enjoy the evening, you know, to have a drink, to have a nice meal, etc. So, yeah. So running up to Christmas, there's another way we can do it. So say if you were just going to have a drink on a weekend, a date night, and this can be done all year round, you know, to suit you, whatever suits you. But the way I do it is I will bang some calories through the week, Monday to Friday, or Monday to Thursday if I was going out on a Friday, etc., and Saturday. So as you can see here, over the week, it's 12,600 calories. Now, divided by 7, that's 1,800 calories per day. This is just an example. Obviously, yours will be different, but then all you have to do is less calories through the week. We're going to save some calories, 300 calories Monday to Friday, and we're going to divide them and add them on to Saturday and Sunday. So that's the extra calories we're able to have on a weekend just by saving them through the week, because you should always look at calories over the week, not just the day, over the 7 days. We've got to look at the same as weighing in. If you're weighing in just 1 day a week, it's going to be different every single week, regardless. You know, you might have more food still in your stomach. You might have had more sodium that day, etc., or even had a drink. So what we'll be doing, a good practice is have less Monday to Friday. On a weekend, you've got a bit of room to play with, so you can, like say, have a date night, go out for a meal, social events, have a drink, you know. So also, we need to try and focus on this. Keep our NEAT up, walking after a meal, etc., will help with digestion. Also, it's going to increase your NEAT. And I highly recommend this because NEAT studies show now that people are by increasing the NEAT even more over the day, just by getting them daily steps in, you're going to burn more calories constantly. Anyway, hope that helps. If you've got any questions, but all of these here, proteins, fats, breakfast, think eggs, bacon, turkey bacon, chicken sausages, ordinary sausages, whatever suits you. Lunchtime, protein and veg, chicken breast, some roasted vegetables, or a nice salad, something like that. Or like a protein smoothie as well, some great smoothies in your resources folder as well in the members lab. Then on evening, we've got lots of spare for here to enjoy ourselves. You know, that's if you want to do it each day. daily that is. I'm not saying have a drink every day. Obviously not. I would never recommend that because it's not going to help at all. But focus on this as well. Increasing your NEAT as well. Getting that walk in after each meal. Trying to get them steps in over the day. You've all got a step count, a step goal, etc. So let's try and stick to that throughout the December month as well. But again, on holiday, even on holiday, going for a walk, because the last thing we want is to undo all the hard work that we put in leading up to our holidays or the Christmas period. So hope that helps. Any questions, shoot me a message anytime. Catch you soon.